Hello there, lovely ladies. Thank you so very much as the curtain opens on yet another wonderful video for you. We hope you've been getting inspiration from this channel each and every time you come on board watching any of our videos, as right now you'll find 2024 best pixel style hairstyles and haircuts ideas for black women. You'll find lots of amazing pixel haircuts ideas, of course in picture format, because that is what we are all about on this channel from the onset. We do really want you to get the inspiration you're looking for your short hair styling, especially if you maintain a short hair or you're planning to transition to one. We encourage you to check out this video through the end because you'll find lots of amazing styles that should help you get that standout look that you have been seeking for. You might say to yourself, some of the styles look similar, but you need to look closer as you find something with a bit difference in each picture slides that you come across. We encourage you to watch the video through the end. It is a video dedicated for women of all ages. It doesn't matter how old you are, provided you're looking for a youthful look. This is the absolute amazing video you'll definitely want to watch to get that unique idea for your hairstyling. Let us hear your thought on the comment section. Share this video with loved ones and friends. Keep coming back for more. We do encourage you to check out what we have for you always. We really want you to get the inspiration you need or you're looking for to keep that look coming in for you, and of course getting those compliments from your loved ones and friends always. Thank you so very much for watching. We also hope you subscribe to this channel, leave us a like, share the video, and of course do well to watch the video through the end. Do not forget the notification bell. As you do all this, keep it with us here always. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.